Hey there, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Kristijonas and I have recently taken the plunge into the exciting world of game development. I left my day job to follow my passion, and in this series I'll be documenting my journey as I strive to earn a living through game development. From freelancing to game releases, crowdfunding, campaigns, and everything in between, you'll get an inside look at the highs, lows, and everything in between. So let's dive right into it. I am 24 years old from Lithuania with a software engineering degree and a passion for game development. When I'm not immersed in the world of coding and creativity, you'll find me tinkering away in my garage or shamelessly indulging in hours of binge watching TV shows. Hey, even game developers need their downtime, right? For a while, I worked as a game developer in a 9 to 5 job. My expertise mainly revolved around crafting interactive VR experiences using Unity engine. Don't get me wrong, the team was an absolute blast to work with and the projects were exciting, but after a year, I found myself at a crossroad. You see, as much as I enjoyed the creative process, something was missing. I felt that my growth had plateaued, and the salary, well, let's just say it wasn't quite hitting the mark. And so, with a mix of excitement and apprehension, I made the decision to take the leap. I left my day job to embark on a journey of self-discovery and self-improvement. Now, that might sound a little bit dramatic, but it's the truth. I wanted to challenge myself, push my boundaries, and truly dedicate myself to what I loved the most: game development. And of course, I have some game related aspirations. I want to release my very own game on platforms like Steam, and I can't wait to see players enjoying what I create. The thought of someone somewhere playing and enjoying something I've crafted is incredibly motivating. But let's start with a more concrete goal for the short term. My first mission is to earn $1,000 within the next 2 months. It's a challenge, no doubt, but I believe in the power of determination and hard work. So I wanted to end the video there. But then I looked back at the footage and it was so boring I couldn't do that. So let's move on to our first job. So the guys from the company that I worked for hired me to do a little virtual reality project. It's an experience about an artist called Kristijonas. The experience will contain some of his art, some of his biology, and other interesting facts about Kristijonas. So I have set up the project, added plastic version control, added the timeline, included the mocap, and set up the rough timeline, animated some post-processing, and added particle effects, some animations like the house folding, um, added the lighting, and some other scripts as well, triggers, and so on. So for that I spent 9 hours and I am charging 25 euros an hour, which makes us 225 euros in total. The project isn't finished yet, there will be 2 more scenes. I'm also waiting for motion capture data and other details about the project so I could continue the work. But for right now, that's all I have. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is where the adventure begins. From code to creativity, from failures to triumphs, I invite you to join me on this roller coaster ride as I strive to turn my passion into profession. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss a single episode of my game development journey misery. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep creating, and let's make some epic games together.